In this video, I'll show you the procedure to permanently close a Revolut account. If you want to permanently close a Revolut account, then you have to follow these steps. Before you begin with, make sure that your device is completely up to date and it's connected to the internet connections. Here, what you need to do is log in or open the Revolut app and log in using your credential. Then what next you want to do is tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, you want to select account from the profile menu. As you do it, so what next you want to do is then look for an option like close account or terminate account and select it so. You may be asked to confirm your decision to close the account or to provide a reason for closing the account as well. Then Revolut may provide further instructions such as confirming the closure or downloading statement for future references. And once process is completed, Revolut will confirm that your account has been closed. And likewise, you also want to make sure to consider these steps, that is withdraw all the funds before you actually delete or close your account permanently. And if you have any active subscriptions or investment, make sure to cancel or close them before closing your account as well. And ensure there is no pending transaction as well. And Revolut will retain some of your data for regulatory purpose. Even after account, make sure to be cautious regarding this as well. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.